Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to repost a post on Mastodon. So as you can see now we're on our home page. So first you're going to select the post that you want to repost to your profile. Let's swipe up. For example, we want to repost the post from Christine. We're going to click on the second icon below the text that has the two arrows going like in a loop. I'm going to click on that. Now it has been reposted. We can view that by going to our profile. That's in the bottom right corner. I'm going to tap on that icon. As you can see, here is our profile. Here's the post. It has been reposted. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe for more helpful videos. Bye.